going on, everybody? Today on Meat Cranium Barbecue and Review, I'm going to do one of my top 3 favorite sandwich slash subs. Well, my top 3 is the Cuban, it's a Cuban sandwich, the Monte Cristo, and the Philly cheesesteak. Well, after I made 4 pork butts on 122-inch Weber kettle, I have a lot, and I mean a lot, of leftovers. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make a pulled pork Philly with mushrooms, green peppers, onions. Put some wart sauce on it, or Worcestershire, that stuff. I'm gonna put that stuff on it. Put some cheese, melt it, put on a nice bun. Oh yeah, by the way, this is not going to be a keto dish. So this is gonna be a pretty quick video. I'm gonna be shredding the cheese, gonna slice up the vegetables, but that's about it. Like, subscribe if you haven't done already. Check this video out. I'll see you at the end. All right, let's get started. First, I'm gonna add some pork belly to this. I'm gonna fry up some pork belly. So I'm gonna put the pork belly down. I'm gonna add the meat, the vegetables, cook everything together, put a slice of bread, toasted bread. It's gonna be done. It's a pretty simple process. So let's get the camera down and take a look. Keep your grill about a medium high, and then that's about all the temperature that you really need for this. Pulled pork. All right, so a secret, break down vegetables, peppers, and onions down is sugar. I'm gonna put some sugar on there, it's gonna help break it down. I'm also gonna be using some, it's garlic infused, right here, it's infused cooking oil, garlic in it. This is gonna be really good too, cooking oil. Here goes the sugar. Now at this point, it's important to cut that meat up into little chunks. So that's what I'm doing now. All right, another secret ingredient. Wart sauce. Now it's time to build it. Let's do this. So I'm gonna do several layers of this Philly right here. I'm gonna separate it. This is gonna be 2 sandwiches. I got a lot of vegetables, but that's okay. Cut the bread in half. Move this pork belly around. There we go. It's crisping up real nice. Separate this. I move this side over here to low. 3 cheeses, Parmesan. Thin layer of Parmesan. Swiss cheese right there. mozzarella cheese. Bread's toasting up really good. There we go, that's ready. Let's assemble. Time to assemble. Pork belly on the bottom. Alright, so I've been trying to let this cool for a little bit. There we go, better, light's better there. Alright, so let's give this thing a try. Hope I don't burn myself, but if I do, hey, it's all for y'all. I think this is the one without the pork belly in it. Look at that thing. Did I tell y'all I used to work in an all-American grill? This is the main thing we used to make. I used about the same amount of stuffing in here, but our bread was like a lot bigger, so I kind of programmed to make it that big, but not that big. That's why it's in my top 3, y'all. Pork belly. I probably got stuff all over my face, but look, that is divine. You know, you can put mayonnaise on there and mustard. You have all those flavors working. I think mustard and ketchup, if you do, or even mayonnaise will probably take away from that flavor. Especially Cheese Whiz. Cheese Whiz? I know that's how you do it in Philly, but man, that is nasty. That's like spam. Ugh. Now time to try the one that has the pork belly in it. It might be messy, but it sure is good. Y'all gotta make this. If you guys have some leftover pulled pork, give it a try. So, if you like this video, thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. I do kind of crazy crap like this all the time. So share and hit the notification bell so you get notifications every time that I come out with a video. Anyhow, I'll see y'all next week. Ciao.